Assalomu alaykum. Men Mirzo Ulug'bek nomidagi ixtisoslashtirilgan maktab o'quvchisi Abdurahimov Abdurahmonman. Men hozir tengdoshlarimga geografiya haqida qiziqarli ma'lumotlar beraman. O'zbekistonda juda ko'p go'zal go'shalar mavjud, ammo biz hozir dunyodagi qiziqarli maskanlar haqida gaplashamiz. Now in English. Hi, I'm Abdurahmon and I'm a student of the specialized school named after Mirzo Ulug'bek. I want to say top 5 interesting places about geography. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. First thing is the Mariana Trench. It is the deepest point on Earth located in Western Pacific Ocean. It is 11,035 meters deep. The pressure at the bottom is equivalent to that of 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of each other. In 2012, a team of scientists led by filmmaker James Cameron descended to the bottom of the Mariana Trench in a submersible vehicle. They filmed the journey, which took them nearly 12 hours, and brought back stunning footage of the seafloor. Despite the extreme conditions at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, there is life. Scientists have discovered bacteria, worms, and other creatures that have adapted to the harsh environment. The Mariana Trench is a mysterious and fascinating place. Scientists are still learning about it, and there is much that we don't know. In the future, we may learn more about the life that exists at the bottom of the trench and about the geological and environmental processes that have shaped it. So, next amazing place, the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, covering an area of over 5 million square kilometers. It is located in South Africa and is home to a vast area of plant and animal life, and there is a very beautiful natural scenery. The Amazon rainforest is incredibly important to the Earth's ecosystem. It produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen and helps to regulate the Earth's climate. The rainforest is also home to over 10% of the world's known species. Some of the most iconic animals of the Amazon rainforest include the jaguar, the giant anaconda, the Persian dart frog, and toucan. Now, the Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering an area of 9 million square kilometers. It is located in North Africa. The Sahara Desert having formed about 3 million years ago. Before that, it was a lush savanna. The Sahara Desert is formed by a number of factors, including the subtropical high-pressure system, the trade winds, and the Earth's rotation. The Sahara Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, with an average annual rainfall of less than 100 millimeters. The temperature can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius during the day and can drop below freezing at night. Despite the harsh conditions, the Sahara Desert is home to a variety of plant and animal life. For example, plants, cacti, succulents, grasses, and animals, camels, scorpions, snakes, and lizards. Humans have been living in Sahara Desert for 1,000 years, the earliest evidence of human habitation in the Sahara Desert dates back to over 10,000 years ago. Next mysterious place is the Baikal Lake, the world's largest, deepest, and oldest freshwater lake located in southern Siberia between the federal subjects of Irkutsk Oblast and the Republic of Buryatia. Baikal Lake is a natural wonder that holds about 1/5 of the world's fresh surface water. Baikal Lake is a rift lake, meaning it was formed by the Earth's crust pulling apart. It is about 636 km long and 79 km wide, with a surface area slightly larger than Belgium. It has a maximum depth of 1,642 meters. Baikal Lake is also home to thousands of species of plants and animals, many of them endemic to the region. Some of the most famous inhabitants of the lake are Aria, Nerpa, or Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal in the world, the omul, a delicious white fish that is a local delicacy. The lake is surrounded by mountains, forests, and steppes, creating a stunning landscape that attracts millions of tourists every year. The largest island in the lake, Olkhon Island, considered to be the spiritual center of Baikal. Baikal Lake represents a unique example of geological and biological and cultural diversity. Finally, Nile River, the longest river in the world and the father of African rivers. The Nile River flows from south to north through 11 countries in the northeastern Africa until it reaches the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile River has two major tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. The White Nile originates from Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa, and flows through Uganda and South Sudan. The Blue Nile starts from Lake Tana in Ethiopia and joins the White Nile at Khartoum, the capital of Sudan. Together they form the main stream of the Nile that flows through Egypt and its fertile delta. The Nile River has played a crucial role in the history and civilization of ancient Egypt. The annual flooding of river brought rich silt that fertilized the land and enabled the cultivation of crops such as wheat, flax, papyrus. The papyrus plant was used to make paper. The Nile also facilitated communication, transportation, and trade between different regions of Egypt and beyond. The Nile River is a home to a variety of wildlife such as a crocodile, hippos, fish, and birds. It also supports many cultural and religious traditions, such as a festival, rituals, and myths. The Nile is revered as a symbol of life, fertility, and prosperity by many people who live along its banks. In conclusion, it is important to learn about these places for students because they are an intrinsic part of the geography. I hope you learned something new and were inspired to learn more about the world around you. Thank you for watching. See you later.